How to connect MetaTrader to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your MetaTrader trading account with MetaTrader 5 using the official MT5 to MetaTrader copy EA. You'll configure web permissions, enter your credentials and server URL, and ensure trade copying works smoothly. So first of all, you gotta head over, open MetaTrader 5 application, sign into any of the demo account or real account that you're using. So you can do it on iOS and Android both. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. You can follow similar steps if you're using an Android device. So you gotta click on settings over here, and once you do so, you gotta click on new account. And after that, you have to search for your broker. So let's say in our case, it's MetaTrader. So you got to search for that. And if you're not able to find your broker, you can click on can't find your broker and then contact MetaTrader to add your broker in this list. So once you find your broker, you got to simply click on it and then you got to type in the server, make sure it's correct. So you can simply select the suitable server, type in your login, your password, and then head over, click on sign in. If your credentials are correct, then your MetaTrader account will be connected to MetaTrader 5. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.